Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to clear cookies on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find three horizontal lines. This is your menu icon. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can manage various aspects of your browser. Now that you're in the Settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is where Brave stores all the controls related to your browsing data, security features, and privacy settings. It's the central hub for managing what information your browser keeps. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, click on Delete Browsing Data. This is where you'll find all the controls for removing different types of stored information from your browser. It's designed to give you full control over what stays and what gets cleared. After clicking that, you'll need to click on More. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select All Time. Choosing this option ensures that you're clearing cookies from the very beginning, not just from the past hour or day. It's the most thorough way to remove all stored cookie data. Next, you'll notice several checkboxes on the screen for different types of data. Here's where you need to be specific about what you're clearing. Uncheck the boxes for browsing history, cached images and files, and download history. You want to leave only one box checked, and that's cookies and other site data. This ensures you're only removing cookies without affecting your other browsing information like your history or downloaded files. Once you've confirmed that only cookies and other site data is checked, click Delete from this device. This will start the process of clearing all the cookies stored in your Brave browser. You might need to wait a moment while the browser removes all the cookie data. The time it takes depends on how much data has been stored. And that's it. You've successfully cleared all cookies from your Brave browser while keeping your browsing history and other data intact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.